friends, after passing journal entry of all transactions, today we will discuss how journal entry should be posted to the ledgers and how it balanced. So first understand what is the ledgers. The ledger is a books of final entry. In ledger accounts are recorded in a classified and summarized forms. It supplies details informations of different types of accounts. As such, the ledger is a very useful. It is of utmost importance in every enterprises. Each account in ledger is divided into two equal parts by a vertical line. The left side of the account is known as debit side and the right side of the account is called credit side. The debit side is meant for recording debit aspect of transaction and the credit side is meant for recording the credit side of transactions. Okay, here is a complete list of journal entry for the month of January ended 2015. As we discussed earlier in my previous video. So let's see first before posting the journal entry to the ledgers. First, we should count the how many types involved in these all transactions. Like that, you have to make a list like this: cash account, building account, capital account, purchase account, and Ramesh account, sales account. Like that, you make the list how many accounts involved in these all transactions. And also, you must be remember that cash is here and cash is also here. So cash will be considered only one times. Like that, you make the list of because you will be not confused while preparing they are posting the entry to the ledgers. So let's start from first journal entry. See what's the first transaction on 1st January. Cash account debit 175,000, building account debit 100,000, two capital accounts. So write the heading cash accounts. So cash is a debit. So write here debit instead of cash. Heading is a cash account. So instead of cash you write the capitals 175,000 for this transactions. This is okay. Now see another building accounts. Heading is a building is also debit side. See, yes, debit side. So write two capital account 100,000. So that is also ours. Now see another journal entry, two capitals. Two capitals is a credit side. So write yes, heading capital accounts here. So sorry here. Capital is a credit, so write by cash accounts 175,000 and by building is at 100,000. So both these transactions is over. Now see another transactions on 2nd January. Purchase account debit 75,000 to cash accounts. So if you prepare the ledger for the purchase account, see here, purchase account heading is a purchase account. So purchase is a debit. So write here on 2nd January, 2nd April, two cash accounts 75,000. Now see another transactions. This is also ours. Now to cash. So here cash is 75,000 on credits. So on this you have to put these items in cash account also. So see here 75,000 is a credit. So by purchase account you write here by purchase account 75,000. So cash is a credit. So it will be come on credit sides. Okay. So this is also our. Now see on 3rd Ramesh account debit 30,000 to sales account. Prepare one more ledgers Ramesh and also for sales accounts. Now see Now see this sides Ramesh accounts. So Ramesh accounts is a Ramesh is a credit side, debit side. So sales, two sales will be 30,000. Sale on third, two sales account 30,000. So that is also over. So now prepare another ledgers for sales. Sales account is here. So right here buy Ramesh 30,000. It will be, so sales is a credit side. So it will be come on credit side. So instead of sales, we will put the Ramesh accounts 30,000. Now see another transactions 4th January. 4th January wages account debit to cash account. So prepare one more ledgers for wages. Wages is a debit, so to put yes on 4th to cash accounts. Okay, and then cash will be transfers to this cash will be show on the credit side of here by wages accounts. So cash is a credit side, that's why the buy wages will be instead of cash will be here, wages will be here 500. Now see this is our. So now see cash account debit to sales accounts. So cash account debit to sales accounts on here, cash account debit to sales account 10,000. So cash is already we generated the cash account. So we see here on the debit sides on 6. So cash is a debit side, so puts the instead of cash sales account debit sides 10,000 and another entry where sales account puts this buy cash account 10,000. So see here buy cash 10,000 we will put here. Now see another, this is also our. Now see trade expenses account debit to cash accounts. So create one more account here. So trade account is debit side, so right here cash account debit 700 and also in cash column cash accounts we will put here by trade expenses 700 because the cash is already in credit side, that's why instead of cash we put the trade expenses here by trade expenses 700. Now see this is also ours on 12th cash account debit to discount account debit here, cash account debit discount account to Ramesh accounts. So cash is already open, Ramesh ledger is also open, so one more ledger will be open. So discounts, so first entry this cash 29,500 in this debit sides it will come Ramesh account debit 29,500. Okay, now see the another cash in Ramesh accounts. In Ramesh accounts buy cash 29,500 and buy discount 500. Okay, now see another discount accounts here on 24th April Ramesh account debit 500. See because the discount is a headings, so discount is a which sides, discount is a credit sides, so that's why instead of discounts we will put Ramesh on the credit sides for 500. This is also ours. Now see on 14th purchase account debit to Samir accounts. The purchase account is already open these sides right here, these sides sorry purchase this sides. So here on 14th April to Sudhir account, instead of purchase we write to Sudhir account 27,000 and there is one more account will be created. This is ours, the Sudhir ledger will be opened. So see here Sudhir accounts, so Sudhir accounts, so Sudhir account by purchase account we will write here by purchase account 27,000 because Sudhir is a credit side, so instead of Sudhir's we will put by purchase account 27,000. Because that is also ours. Now see carted expenses. Account debit to cash account. We will create one more account, cartage accounts. So cartage account is a debit to cash. So here we will be write the cash accounts 1000 and cash will be 1000 by 1000. Yeah, by cartage account will be there here on the headings of, because cash is on credit side, so that's why we will write yes by cartage account 1000. Now see this sides. There is one more transaction on 20th, drawing account debit to cash accounts. So first here's on 20th here by drawing account debit 5000 and also see the cash. So drawing accounts, we will create one more drawing account here, drawing account to cash account 5000. So it will be over here. So now see another transaction, one more on 20th, drawing account debit 2000 to purchase account. So see yes, on the drawing accounts we will put to purchase account 2000 and we will see one more here purchase accounts. So purchase accounts, there will be one drawing account 2000. We will put yes because it's a purchase account and purchase is a debit side. So we will put instead of purchase the drawing account debit 2000. Now see that is also ours. Now see the last transactions. Sudhir account debit 27,000 to cash accounts to discounts. So Sudhir account, first see the Sudhir accounts. Sudhir accounts already opened here. Sudhir accounts. So right here cash account 27,000 and discount account 27,000. Both will become in the debit sides because the Sudhir is a debit of total value of 27,000. So both cash and discount will become debit sides in place of Sudhir accounts. Now see that is ours. Now see cash by Sudhir, instead of cash by Sudhir account debit 27,700. Okay, and now see the one more transaction entry will be involved here by Sudhir 300. So almost all the entry has been made. So I will show how to balance it. After posting all journal entry to the ledgers, now we will see how to balance this each and every accounts. First of all, I have to consider which sides is a more. Whichever is a more, just total it, like here 214,500. This is a more. Debit side is a more, and put the same value here to 214,500. Then how much balance it will come here? They see this, like see here 105,600 is a balance. So write yes by balance carried down, CD, that means carried down. So on end of the month which are preparing, that means 13th April 2015. So that will be transferred to this sides, that credit side on the next month, 1st May 2015, like and write to balance BD, that means brought down 105,600. Like that you have to balance each and every accounts. First see the whichever is more. So here this side's cash is 100,000 also. So right here 100,000, these are the 100,000. Say on the end of the month by balance carried down 100,000, and that will be transferred to next month on 1st May 2015 to balance brought down 100,000. That is also the same. See the another account, capital accounts. So here is nothing. This sides here is a buy cash 170,000 and 100,000. That means total 275,000 right here, 275,000 this year. So it will be balanced on the end of the month. To balance carried down 275,000. That will be transferred to next month, 1st May 2015 by balance forward down 2015. This was same as the same. So we will consider like that. The purchase account is also yes. The mode is 102,000 this side, and here is only 2,000. So on end of the month by balance we are done 100,000. So this balance will be transferred to next month to balance carried down, brought down 100,000. Same I see another account, Ramesh account. So this side is a total. C is another account. Sales is 30,000 and this side is cash 29,500 and discount is 500. So this is also 30,000. This is also 30,000. So this account has been closed. So don't consider this in the trial balance. It's already closed. And see another sales account. So here by Ramesh is 30,000 and by cash is 10,000. That means totally 40,000. So put here also 40,000. So balance on the end of the month balance carried down is 40,000 and that will be transferred to next month 1st May by balance carried down 40,000. Now see the another transaction, another account, ledger account, wages. So to cash is account is 500. Here is also 500 total 500. So end of the month by balance carried down is 500 and that will be transferred to the next month by to balance borrowed down 500. Same trading account to cash account is 700. So it will be total 700 on the end of the month by balance is carried down 700. So that will be transferred to next month. So another is a discount account. So here is a to Ramesh account is 500 and by Sudhir is 300. So total is mode is 500. You can write here 500. Also the end of the month the buy balance carried down 200. So that 200 will transfer to next month. Now see the Sudhir account. So to cash account debit 26,700 and discount is 300. And this side is a purchase 27,000. So 27,000 and 27,000 is equal. So that Sudhir account will be closed. So now see the cartage account. So cash account debit is 1,000. So total and here is nothing. So 1,000. So balance will be 1,000 and that balance will be transferred to next month. That means in May month to balance brought down. Now see the drawing accounts. So drawing account at debit side is a cash 5,000 and purchase is 7,000. So total is 7,000. So here is nothing. This side is nothing. So 7,000 is totals and end of the month by balance carried down 7,000. So that 7,000 will be transferred to next month. I hope that you can understand the ledger how to journal entry will be posted to the ledgers and how it will be balanced. So just you consider this side a debit side, this side a credit side. So you must be remember the format of the debit ledger account. So heading whatever the account will be, you can debit heading here and debit, and this is a credit side. So date, particulars, ledger folio, general folio accounts. Then again it will be debit, particular, ledger folio, general folio and amounts. So you must remember these all account, and that on the basis of that credit balance the trial balance will be made. I will explain later on my next video. I will show on that particular balances. I will show how to prepare the trial balance. So thanks. If you still not subscribe my channels, I request you to subscribe my channels for more updates and accounting video. Thank you very much.